Specifying alignment. Alignment helps you to align the text of the slide in various directions.
You can align the text not only in placeholders but also in text boxes, shapes, charts, tables, etc.
You can specify mainly 4 types of alignment in the presentation. Align left. It is used to shift the text into the left side of the slide window. Align right. It is used to shift the text into the right side of the slide window. Center. It is used to shift the text into the center of the slide window. Justify.
It adds spaces between the words so that lines of text touches both left and right margins. It gives a clear look to the text.
To align the text, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the text. Click on Home tab. Step 2. Select any alignment option from the paragraph group. The text will be aligned according to selected alignment.